Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters vcode of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a very basic Java topic. Today it is simple calculations. What result we should expect if we do some simple calculations for some special numbers, special calculation in mathematics. Like if we divide a number by zero, we'll get a very large number, infinite number, or undefined. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at some of these expressions today, like the special expressions. Okay, so I have loaded up my Java file and I have created this main class. And in this main class, what I'm gonna do is I'm defining some variables. Let's name them A, B, and C. And what I'll do is I'll create some values for A, B, and C. So A, what I'm saying is 9 divided by 0, 9.0 divided by 0. Okay. The value of B, it should be, I'm doing 0 divided by 0.4, let's say. And C is equal to 0 divided by 0.0. Okay. So these are my A, B, and C. And as you can see, I have defined some special numbers for A, B, and C, like 9 divided by 0, 0 divided by 0.4. So what I'm doing is now let's just print them out. Let's print out A, B, and C. Yeah, so if we take a look at our output, so let's see what output do we get. So yeah, as we all know, any number divided by 9, it is infinity. We do not know whether it is positive infinite or negative infinite, but yeah, it is infinite. When a number is divided by 0, it is positive infinity. And yeah, anything divided by 0 divided by any number, it is like 0. And 0 divided by 0, it is not defined, as you all may know. 0 divided by 0, it is not defined, and it basically means not a number. It is not defined. So yeah, for floating point literals, we have constant value to represent 10 divided by 0.0 or 9 divided by 0.0. In our case, it is infinity, either positive or negative. And also we have not a number. It is for this undefined expression. When something is undefined, Java throws nan, not a number. In our case, we are dividing 0 divided by 0.0, dividing 0 by 0.0. It is not a number, it is not defined. But for the integral type, we do not have any constant. That's why we get arithmetic expression for this B. We do not have any expression for like 0 divided by 0.4. So that's why it is throwing 0.0 arithmetic expression. So I hope it was clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just rewind the video, take another look at it. You can also ask us in the comment section if you still have any doubt. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.